YouTube? Welcome back to the Jackshaft install, part something. This Jackshaft install though will actually have like 3 sections to it. The last video we wrapped up basically section 1, which is the Jackshaft itself. It is installed, she spins, she twirls, she does what she needs to do. I'm now going to move to section 2, which is a transaxle. I want to get the transaxle input shaft extended up. I want to have it mounted at the same height as this top plate on the Jackshaft part. Once that's done, part 3 will be connecting A to B with sprockets and chain. So let's get started. It's going to be just like this piece over here, different shape, different bearing, but same principles and all that fun hoo-ha stuff. And there she is in the flat. It's just like the other bearing plates I made in one of the previous videos. I'm going to go ahead and cut on the outside line here to remove all the excess metal, and then do the relief cuts inwards at the 4 points. Then the inside line here, I'm going to go ahead and throw a 5/8 bend top and bottom to add some rigidity to the plate. I got the position for the flange bearing. Then I'm going to go ahead and sink some dimple dies in this plate as well, just to lighten it up, because it is 11 gauge just like the other ones. Oh. Bingo! Gnarly, man. Much better. Alright, I tried laying some layout lines on this one again. Figured it might be a tad bit more symmetrical, but it's not. So, I'm gonna wing it as well as the last two that I made. Inch and a quarter. Coming up next. Yeah. Oh yeah, not getting cut on those things now. Let's dimple dye some holes. Some driblets of oil on there. Uh-oh. One more to go. So here is the rear bearing plate for the transaxle basically installed. The only thing I have not done is drill the holes and bolt it down in place. I'm going to wait to do that till I have the muffler situation figured out. And that is because the muffler basically sits over the frame rail here. So when I put this riser in, it's in the way of the muffler. So I got to figure out what I'm doing there. Once I have that figured out, I'll go ahead, drill the holes, bolt the bearing plate into position, and cut the shaft down to size. The only thing I do not like about the looks of this is the gap difference. How I have like an inch overhang here, but I have like 2.5 here. I really wish I made this one an inch as well, so each edge would line up and look the same. But this bearing plate up here was a complete disaster anyway, so I may end up making a new one for it down the road. But I'm just gonna run with it how it is for now. Next video, I'm going to have shaft A connected to shaft B with sprockets. I'm going to have the pulley put on the bottom of shaft A, have the belt put on, and I should have everything connected back here. It really should be done for the next video, but we'll see. And get the muffler on. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Enjoy.